Hello, positive peeps. It's me, Lori, your positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show, and I am here spreading positivity and happiness and helping others to live their best lives. Join me on my path to riches. I'll be using so many tips and tricks from the law of attraction that I've collected on my way to preparing for this journey. If you are intrigued by anything you see or hear in this video, please click that thumbs up and subscribe. You don't want to miss it when I have my my really big breakthrough. This video will represent day 99 to 100 of my path to riches. Thank you all for coming along this journey with me. I've tried so many methods and tricks that are in alignment with the law of attraction. I do have some distance to go in making this feel more natural for me. I do have anxiety and I do struggle with that, but I'm working on identifying an ideal version of myself and getting to that ideal version. I've shared with you guys my personal statement, and this personal statement is an idea taken from the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So far, I read this personal statement every night before I go to bed. I used this statement to create a very specific script of occurrences that are ideal events that will happen in order for my statement to become a reality. This is in following with the advice of Andrew Kaplan in his book, The Last Law of Attraction book that you will ever need to read. It's an excellent book, I recommend it, and it is the last one you're ever going to need. According to his chapter on scripting, you start by eliciting a desired emotion that you will feel upon achieving your desired results. So I did this before scripting. I read the script nightly as well, and I also make a point of rewriting the script and adjusting it as my vision sharpens. My night routine is in a video coming up soon, so hang in there. I want you all to see what I do. Okay, so this is what my series of signs and synchronicities have brought to me with regard to my ultimate plan for getting to my place of financial freedom. I've said in the past that I am manifesting a certain amount of money. So this amount of money is $5,515,836, if you recall. This still stands. This is fully realized by the end of June 2020. Since it is day 99 right now, I'm really wanting to share with you guys my action plan for achieving my riches. So I know now that I'm meant to be a light worker of some sort. I'm meant to teach others and spread positivity. I will do this by continuing to do YouTube videos for now. I will stay open and receptive to opportunities for collaborations, for book writing ideas and the creation of online courses perhaps. I will begin a podcast soon, so I'm getting that ready to go, and it will be dedicated to all things happy and positive with a sprinkle of law of attraction. As well, I am increasing my reading and listening to audiobooks about the law of attraction and all of the different big thinkers of that whole area. So eventually I will also teach children how to use methods of the law of attraction, both directly and indirectly. And I have 2 videos so far that I've created about that topic, so please check those out here. So this is my calling, and it feels really, really good to know what I want to do or what I'm meant to do. So, okay. Also, my book, 30 Days to a Happier You, is in the process of being published right now. I'm so excited about this. My twin sister and I wrote this together, and we started this about 10 years ago, and it's finally coming together. And I'm so, this is a really big deal, and I can't wait to let you guys know when this is going to happen. I have listed my goals and dreams. I will do them in order, and I'll do them one at a time as to maintain a laser focus. So far, I'm called to work on this channel first. I will get to 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll ask the universe for my next step. I'm so happy that I know what I'm doing to start and that I'm focused. The version of me that is financially free and that is the epitome of outgoing and confident is so close at this point. I feel that I will meet her soon. My next video in this Path to Riches series will be for days 101 to 107. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a special for my 100th day. Now, did you know that I have a Facebook group that is dedicated to positivity and happiness? It's not huge, like I've said before, but the quality makes up for it in such a massive way. I'm doing 3 shout outs to 3 special members. I want to give a big giant virtual hug, social distancing of course, to Andre Nutbean, Jessica Burke, and Sheena Maria Bell. We are together making this world a little bit happier and more positive, one meme, photo, video at a time, especially in this time where the world is going through a lot. We do need that positivity. I'll be doing 3 more shout outs in my next video, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Without you guys, I am just talking to myself. I've said this before. I'm so grateful. Like, I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart for each and every single one of you that watch my videos, that comment, that give me feedback. Any feedback is good feedback, guys. I'm always growing and changing. So please have a great day and be positive.